Hey everyone, this is Michael. Today I want to show you how to use Yellow Jacket's tubing bender. We use it for gas line installations and we use it for line set installations when we're installing a new unit. It's a very good tool. I've had this for quite a few years. I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, first let me show you what it looks like. Okay, when you open this, you have the tool, which is here. And you have different fittings for different sizes. See that? 7/8, 3/4, and you have your 1/2 inch. See how dirty it is, because that's really common. 5/8. You have all the way down to 1/4. That's the smallest one. Okay? You have the fittings. I'm going to show you how to use this, okay? All right. So what you're going to do is, this is the actual tool here, right? Has a little clamp. Has some ratcheting action there. This is going up. Pull this out. Falls down, okay? So let's say you're going to bend a piece of 3/4 pipe. What you're going to do is you're going to take this tool, you're going to find the one that says 3/4, okay? Actually, let's do 1/2 inch because I have a piece of 1/2 inch pipe here. Okay, so we're bending 1/2 inch. Let's say we're doing gas pipe or whatever, using 1/2 inch for. Now remember, this tool cannot be used on hard copper. It has to be soft copper, okay? The hard copper will break this. All right, so you're going to put your 1/2 inch thing there. I'll spin it around so that you can see it. Just goes on there, you just push it down, pull this out, make sure that drops down. There's 2 of these. If you look on here, it says 3/4, and then it says 19. So you have the metric and you have the standard. On the other side, you have 7/8 and 22. Okay? For 1/2 inch, we're going to use the other one. You notice it says 1/2 to 5/8. Then it says 12 to 16. And then spin the other side. 1/4 to 3/8. 6 to 10. Okay? So we're doing 1/2 inch. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on here. There's a screw on the back. Screw that tight. All right, now we're going to take our piece of copper, we're going to bend it, we're going to put it right on there like that. All right, now this is going to make contact with this, so we want to make sure that this bottom side says 1/2 inch. Okay, so we're going to turn it around so the 1/2 inch part is touching the copper. Like this, okay? Then you are going to ratchet this part until that makes contact, right? That 1/2 inch pipe is going to have to go down in there. All right, so this pipe is a little oblong, but you see, okay, so that's going to go down in there. We're going to ratchet it till it gets on there. That's going to have to be seated in there. Okay, show you the other side. Then you're going to ratchet it, and as you ratchet this is going to go up and it's going to bend a 90 into that. So what it'll end up looking like is going to end up bending it just like that. I actually used this tool to bend this. You're not going to want this on here if you're bending it, okay? All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, now the reverse of this, if you're bending this copper like this, that's all fine and good, unless you have a wall on this side. You can't get the tool over there to bend it that way. You can only get the tool here. That's only a problem if you don't have the reverse tool. okay? I'm gonna show you how to use the reverse tool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off. This is not needed. Well, it is needed. One step at a time, right? Okay, we're gonna start over. Ratchet this down. This is the reverse tool, all right? What we're gonna have to do is we are going to take this piece, put it on here, tighten it. There's a screw there. Okay, boom. That goes on there. Now you're going to take this piece, put that on there, okay? Now you are going to take your half-inch, goes there, and this time you're going to take this piece and put it on the bottom, okay? Give me a minute. Boom. Now remember, trying to bend it this way, but there was a wall on this side, so we can't get the tool in there. Now, if you notice, you can bend it this way. Okay. It's kind of hard to film and do this. Boom. That is the reverse tool. That comes in handy. You definitely don't want to buy this tool without the reverse bending kit, okay? So buy the reverse bending kit and keep this on the truck. Very, very valuable tool. This is the Yellow Jacket pipe bending kit with the reverse tool in it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.